This book just really warms my soul. I think teaching your kids at a young age to build community and not to judge each other and to really like embrace people that aren't just like them is kind of a hard thing to teach young. Obviously, we can all be role models for it, but when you have a book, this book really kind of breaks down those walls, and that's kind of the theme of it. It's every little letter, and the letters are divided by walls. Lots of metaphors going on here, lots and lots of metaphors, but like all the H's live together and all the other letters live together. And the lowercase letters are the ones who want to go meet the other letters. And the uppercase letters are like, no, don't go over there. But the lowercase ones do, and like the H and the I meet. And what do they say? Hi. So it's just super cute. It's really good not only to learn your letters, to learn some basic words, but also just the story of like, what if we all jumped across the walls and got to know each other, and what would that look like? And spoiler alert, it would be amazing. So you get to be together. Just the cutest little book. Absolutely love this. Was really impressed by it. And I think the writing of it's really good. How it's like brick by brick. And finally together, they discovered the most important word of all. Love. So cute.